Did you know that pulses, an often overlooked superfood, can help reduce your risk of heart disease and diabetes while being packed with protein and fiber? Stay tuned to learn why they're essential for your health and how to easily add them to your meals. Many of us face the same challenge: finding food that's nutritious, budget-friendly, and quick to prepare. With busy schedules, it's easy to turn to processed or fast foods that lack the nutrients we need. Over time, this can lead to issues like low energy, weight gain, or chronic health problems. But what if there was a simple, affordable option that checks all the boxes? That's where these little powerhouse foods come into play. Pulses offer the perfect balance of nutrition, affordability, and convenience. Pulses are the dry seeds of plants in the legume family. Some of the most common ones are lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and split peas, to name a few. These nutritional powerhouses are high in protein, perfect for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone cutting back on meat. Rich in fiber, great for digestion and keeping you full longer. Loaded with vitamins and minerals, pulses are an excellent source of iron, folate, potassium, and magnesium. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your meals. Lentils. Add cooked lentils to soups, stews, or curries for a protein boost. Toss them into salads for extra texture and nutrition. Use them in vegetarian shepherd's pie or lentil-based pasta sauces. Chickpeas. Blend them into hummus as a healthy snack or spread. Roast them with your favorite spices for a crunchy snack. Add them to grain bowls, salads, or even curries. Black beans. Use them as a base for vegetarian tacos or burritos. Stir them into chili or soups for added heartiness. Mash them for a flavorful dip or as a burger patty base. Split peas. Make a classic split pea soup. Use them in savory dal recipes common in Indian cuisine. Add them to stews for thickness and flavor. These simple additions can transform your meals and your health. Imagine the impact of adding pulses to your diet just a few times a week. They're versatile, affordable, and environmentally sustainable, making them one of the best food choices you can make. Whether it's a hearty lentil stew, a vibrant chickpea salad, or a flavorful black bean chili, pulses can help improve energy, digestion, and overall health. They're a small change with massive benefits, helping you feel better, eat healthier, and even save money on groceries. Pulses truly deserve a spot in your routine. What's your favorite way to incorporate pulses into your diet? Share your favorite recipe in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.